Number 3. Explanation. When Tenali Raman was standing in front of a drawing board, the messenger of the king came and told him that the king wants him. But Tenali Raman sent him back saying that he was busy. Then the king himself came in and saw the board there was nothing on it. Then asked Tenali Raman about the picture, and Tenali Raman says the cow ate the loads of grass and went away. So the drawing board is clear. Tenali Raman was so clever that he gave such funny answers to the king and made him laugh.